Sometimes your data has typos or errors and you want to fix them quickly. Use the Find and Replace node for an easy solution. In your data flow, drag and drop the node to the grid and connect it. Choose the column to work on. Type the pattern of text to find and which replacement text you wish for it. Now you can define if this rule should apply to all occurrences or only specific ones, like the last or the first one. You can also define conditions to filter on only specific cases. For our example, we want the replacement to only apply on occurrences where the field contains exactly NA to avoid any errors. That's it, the data is cleaned and ready. Have you noticed? This node only works with text columns, so if you're looking to correct data on other data types, please explore the other cleaning nodes in Dataflow.